Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a call if you guys are looking to improve your credit score, lower your car payment, buy a car, trade in a car. If you're looking to purchase your first home, if you're looking to purchase a rental property, we can help you. Give us a call today, 877-205-7771. Talk to you guys soon, and thanks again.
Hello everyone, this is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today we're going to talk about two new programs to help you find the best real estate agent for you in your area. Let's go straight into it. So if you haven't already heard, I believe at the end of July, if not mid-July, Amazon launched a new program called the Amazon Turnkey. Okay, so Amazon Turnkey, they partner with another company called Realogy, and so pretty much what they do, they partner you up with a real estate agent based on some relationships that they built with some top, branded franchise companies. Caldwell Banker is one of them. Actually, I got the list right here. Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate, Century 21. ERA Real Estate, and I believe they're constantly adding more as the list goes on. But pretty much they're trying to become, of course, more competitive and get more of their products out there. That's one program, and then you have Credit Karma. Credit Karma is now starting to help people, work with real estate agents and things of that sort. I know because they sent me an email, as I am a real estate agent here in Chicago. So with Credit Karma, their process is just now getting started. Okay, so I don't know the ramifications of it. I think when they sent me the information, it was more so to see if I was interested in being an agent, to be a part of their program. But I don't know if they're going to be working directly with major brands or if they're going to work with, smaller in-house places as well too. If you Google it, you won't be able to find it. Right now, it's like super low key that Credit Karma is even doing it. So look out for that. This may be the first video on it. So, but either way, let's talk about the scenario between the two. Credit Karma, again, they just came out with the program. I don't know what everything's going to be with them. Of course, they already have your information as well too. The difference between Amazon and Credit Karma, they can see if you pre-qualify. So you're more valuable on Credit Karma because they can at least take a look and see. Granted, it's not the same score that mortgage companies use, which is my FICO, to see your mortgage score and things of that sort. But even with that being said, they can get like a general idea. If a person's like a 650, 680, 700 on Credit Karma, obviously you're going to qualify for a home, depending on if, just to make sure everything's going to be in place. Because it's not just the credit score. They can kind of see debt to income, but they can't see any debts that you have outside of your credit report. So there's only so much that they have access to, but they can give a general idea to say, okay, there's a good chance this person can qualify for a mortgage. Okay, then you have Amazon. Now, Amazon is doing something I've never seen before, but they can do whatever they want to do. They can, if it's a loss, it's a loss. If it's a gain, it's a gain. But what they're doing is they're going to, number one, partner you with a real estate agent. And now this service is not everywhere, only in major metro areas. Okay, so Chicago's on the list. Obviously, let's see what other list. Who else is on there? Atlanta's on there. Charlotte, North Carolina. Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas. Denver. Houston, LA, Minneapolis, Minnesota, Orlando, Phoenix, Sacramento, Cali, San Francisco, Seattle, Tampa, Florida. I'm surprised Tampa's on there. Not to say that Tampa's nothing wrong with Tampa, but usually, you get the, well, I guess, usually I would assume you would get Miami, but I guess, I don't know. But, and then you got Washington, D.C. So they are adding more places on there, but those are the major metropolitan areas. I don't know if they are taking any other areas outside of that, but those are the ones that they're advertising so far. And I'll put the link down below as well, too. But that's number one. Number two, they're going to be giving you anywhere between $1,000 all the way up to, is it $5,000? So anywhere between $1,000 all the way up to $5,000 worth of Amazon products for free. Okay, now it's free to sign up for the program. It's free to get it's free to get the Amazon products. So you're probably like, well, why wouldn't any other person do that? Well, here's the catch. You may have a real estate agent that you want to work with. If they don't work with any one of these companies, I don't know if Amazon's open to doing something like that. I would have to reach out to them and see as a real estate agent for myself to see. That would be a nice hookup, right? But I'm sure that these franchise places are obviously paying something, so that's probably what it is. That way Amazon's not doing a total loss, obviously. But everyone's going to get one Echo Dot, and then two Echo Show 5s, I don't know what that is, and one Ring Doorbell second generation. Okay, and you have to spend at least $150,000. I'm just gonna screenshot this and just make it like the thumbnail, that way you guys can get like an idea. But you have to buy a home of at least $150,000 in order to do that. Now, Chicago, that's easy, but if you're in different places where there's nice homes for like 70, 80,000, like where I'm from in Memphis or something like that, then hey, I don't know, you may not necessarily meet the qualifications. But either way, if you're going to be in that marketplace, you most definitely want to take advantage of that. So it's great for a lot of my clients. We help a lot of our clients qualify for homeownership. They don't know where to start for an agent necessarily. This would be a great way for them to do so. So I'm gonna have to reach out to Amazon and see, how strict they are on working with some of these brands, because people may be out on their own. They may represent or a smaller brokerage. They may not necessarily be a higher end brokerage. And of course, $1,000 worth of products is great, but I mean, people would be happy with $300 worth of products if they work with their friend who's a real estate agent. So, I'll kind of dig into that and keep you guys posted. But either way, if you like this video, like it, you want to share it, and as always, be sure to subscribe, as we have nothing but great content on the way. But I think it's a great reach, for Amazon to start getting their products in more homes. And who knows what Credit Karma's up to? We'll keep you posted. Talk to you guys soon.